Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your blog post published date. So let's say you created an article in 2020 and you updated that article to fit 2022 and you want to change the date of the article. So this is what this video is all about, how to change that published date. So to do that, you can see we have our current date here to be September 24, 2022. So we want to change it to October 21, 2022. And to do that, you go to your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you go to post. So you click on that particular post you want to change the information. So let's click on edit. Let's open this in a new tab. On the right-hand side, you're going to see published on. Can you see it? Right-hand side, where my mouse is, you're going to see published on September 24, 2022. I want to change this. So to do that, just click on edit. We are going to change this to October, change this to 21, 2022 at 1:26. That's perfect. Then we'll click on OK. So once you're done, click on update. So let's view our page to see if that has been done. So view post. So you can see we now have a new date. So there's a shorter way to do this. Instead of having to go to edit and all that stress, so you just go to post, click on quick edit on the post you want to change the date. So I'll do quick edit on this post. You'll see below it, you're going to see date. Change this to October 21, 2022. Once you're done, just click on update. And that's it. So let's view this. All right, you can see the new date. So that's how to change your published date, your post published date on WordPress. If this video was helpful, kindly drop the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.